There he goes. He's going. Yum, 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 yum. They added more weight. Extra 5 pounds. Oops. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, when the dust settles, there you go. About a little more than halfway. Well, that was different. I had added 5 more pounds to him. Alright, now that guy's got to try it out with the extra 5 pounds on there. Since he made a full pull. So much fun. Remote control pulling. Love it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's it.
Actually got him probably another 5 feet anyway. Almost 6 feet.
Alright, got the other one by about 6 feet. Very good. Alright, that's with the added weight. Alright.
You want it right dead center, Brian?
Alright, now they're getting ready. Ooh. Good fella. How's he going next? Alright, well, stay tuned for more. We'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.